Excuse me, I'm a food influencer. I have 50,000 followers. Can I get a discount today?
Hello, welcome. I'm Mary, the manager. Do you have a reservation?
No, but I can post about your restaurant. Free promotion. Good deal, right?
I understand, but we don't offer discounts for posts.
Really? Other restaurants always say yes.
I'm sorry. Our policy is the same for every guest.
But my followers are your future customers.
That's possible, but we have a partnership program for influencers. You can apply on our website.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yes, you send your profile, we review it, and we contact you. It's a fair process.
Okay, that sounds better. Can I have the website address?
Of course, it's on our menu card. We hope to work with you soon.
Thank you, Mary. Sorry for the confusion.
No problem. Enjoy your meal today.